Hello, this is Michelle. I've created this video to show you how to make updates to your website. The first thing you want to do is you want to type in builderall.com, and once you go to the page, you can exit out of that and scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says login. Once it goes there, you want to type in your login information, your username, and your password. And we'll give it a minute to load. It should open up to your back office. Once you're in your back office, the area that you need to go in order to update your website is going to be this first one that says Pixel Perfect Builder. So you click anywhere in the box, and then you click on Enter. Once you click on Enter, it will take you to where your website is located. This is the only website that you have, so this would be it here. If you click on the blue link, it will take you to the live website. If you scroll down a little bit and click on this blue button where the edit pops up, this is where you will go to make changes to your website. So we'll click there. Now this is called your editor. This is where you can make changes to your website. Now you want to be careful while you're in here, because if you move anything around, once you hit save, it's going to show up on the live website. So you want to make sure that you're only going to areas that you want to change. It automatically opens to the home page, and it lets you know right here what page you're on. If you click the little arrow, it shows you all of the pages that's in your website. You've got 4 pages. So let's say you wanted to change something in your contact page. You will come up here, you will click the arrow, you will click on Contact Us. It'll open to your contact page. So now basically all you would need to do is scroll down to the area that you want to change. Let's say you got a new phone number and you wanted to change this number that's here. You would click on it. When the box comes in around it, you'll double click to where you'll get this toolbar. Once you get this toolbar and you see the cursor blinking there, that's where you'll be able to type in whatever changes that you want to make. You would erase what's there, and then you would type in the new information that you want to put there. Once you're done, you would click away from it so that that box goes away, and then you would simply hit save. And that will be the same for any text that you want to change. So let's say you went back to your home page and you wanted to change a paragraph or add a sentence to your home page. You would go back to the left upper hand corner, click on home, and then you would scroll down. So let's say you want to make some changes here. All you have to do is double click on it. And then when you see the cursor blinking, you can see it right there at the beginning of the if. That's where you would begin to type whatever changes that you want to make. Or let's say you want to change this word, or you want to change the spelling in this word. You can highlight it like that and then type in what it is that you want to type. And you see how it has changed. Now if you want to put it back, you would just backspace, make your correction, and then once you're done and you're sure that everything is the way that you want it, you would go up here and you would hit save. This toolbar shows you how to center your text, how to justify it, how to make it bold or make it italic. Those are all the tools that you have here. You can change the color of the text by clicking here, and it'll give you all of the color options that you can choose to use for the text. The text needs to be highlighted first, though, before you apply any of these changes. So let's say you want to change this word professional to yellow. You would highlight the word professional. You would go to the little paintbrush. You would select yellow. And you see how it already turned yellow. And then you would hit OK. And once you hit save, then it will save it this way. So let's say you put the wrong color, that's not the color you want. You highlight it again, you click on the button, the little brush, you select the color that you want, you hit OK, and then when you hit save, it goes ahead and it saves whatever changes that you've made. If you want to add an image, I'm going to exit out of that because I'm not saving any of the changes that I'm demonstrating here today. Let's say you want to change an image. Let's find an image that you can change. We'll use this one. Let's say you want to change this little image that's in this box. You would click on it, and once the little box comes around it, then you would right click and it'll open up a menu. And see here where it says change image? When you click on change image, it opens up all of the images that's saved in your website. So these are all the images that I've used in this website, and it's all here. Now, if you have an image that you want to change to, but it's not here, it allows you to upload that image. So you would click on upload, and then it would open up to a file that's on your computer. So you have to already have the picture saved on your computer in order to upload it. So if it's not on your computer, you would have to put it there first, and then you can upload it. So once you click on upload, and this is the file that I have saved that I was working with your website, and let's say you wanted to use this picture instead, you would just click on it. Once it fills in here, you would click open, and what it will do is it will load that picture in here. It's always the very first picture at the top left. So once you've uploaded it, it will be here. Now, in order for you to replace it with what picture was there originally, you would have to click on it. This little check box, which check mark would show up that lets you know that it is selected, and then you would hit confirm. And see, it replaced the picture that was there with this picture. So this is basically how you can make changes. If you needed to type anything here, the same way how I showed you to update the text, you double click on it. You look for the clicking cursor. You can highlight and change. You can backspace to delete. The same way how you would use your keyboard to make changes is what you would do, but it doesn't. You do need to double click on it first before it'll allow you to do any changes. So that's basically all I'm going to discuss here today, but if there's any other changes that you need to make that this video doesn't cover, feel free to give me a call and I can walk you through it. Talk to you soon.